Ẹ kú dédé àsìkò yìí gbogbo etí tó ń gbọ́ mi gbogbo ojú tó ń wò mí ojú tẹ́ kú fi ń wò mí ò ní fọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ lè tẹ́ fi ń gbọ́ mi náà kò ní di láṣẹ Elédùmarè wọ́n máa wá yìí ni wọ́n máa bá ní gbogbo ìgbà orúkọ tèmi ni Azeez Olúwadámiláre Àrẹ̀mú tí gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ sí bàbá Àrẹ̀mú èmi lọ́mọ irúnbí èmi lọ́mọ ojúro èmi lọ́mọ amújẹmútà èmi lọ́mọ oúnjẹ méjì tí ń dẹ́rù bara wọn lórí igi ẹ̀gbánilé fádà mi ẹ̀gbánilé mọ́dà mi náà ẹ káàbọ̀ ẹ ṣeun mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín pé tí ẹ fi ń wò mí tí ẹ ń bá mi comment tí ẹ ń bá mi share ẹ ṣeun owó tẹkú fún ra dátà náà ò ní tán lọ́wọ́ yín lágbára Ọlọ́run ayé agbowóra wọn nílùú fún yín ẹ ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo mú wálé ní kò tiẹ̀ wá pọ̀ lórí gbajúgbajà òṣèré ni tí a mọ̀ sí Funke Akindele níbi tí ó ti fakọyọ tí ó ti faraya lórí ẹ̀sùn tí àwọn followers àwọn èèyàn tó ń tẹ̀lé tí wọ́n fi kàn án lórí ọmọọṣẹ́ rẹ̀ kan tí ó jẹ́ Ọlọ́run nípè tí a mọ̀ sí Adérónkẹ́ tí ó jẹ́ Ọlọ́run nípè kọ́lọ́run kó kú jẹ́ kí ọgbọ́ wa ká ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọdún ní ayé ká má ṣe kánjú kú kí n tó lè sọ̀rọ̀ lórí rẹ̀ náà ẹ kọ́kọ́ gbọ́ àwọn kókó ọ̀rọ̀ tí òṣèrébìnrin gbajúgbajà Funke Akindele tí ó sọ náà ẹ bá mi gbọ́ ẹ dẹ̀ bá mi wò ojú tẹ́kú fi ń wò náà ò ní fọ́ láṣẹ Elédùmarè.
ọjà òyìnbó ni kò mọ̀ bóyá kankan wà. Please, I have to do this live video because it has to do with Adejumoke. May her soul rest in perfect peace. I feel so sorry. I tried. Jide can't testify. I have to go, guys. See me, how do they end? See me, how do they end this? Hello, everyone. How are you all? God bless you. God bless you. I don't usually do this. I don't even like the word. I don't usually do this, but I have to come on live because it has to do with, losing a family member. I'm surprised to see all the posts talking negative about me, saying I never cared, I don't like to give, I don't like to explain. No, yes, I look stressed because I've cried. Yes, we lost someone, I've cried. And then people have said a lot of nonsense. Like you all know, I'm a very positive person. I don't explain, I don't nag, I just move on. A lot of stones has been thrown at me. I just pack the stones, and build a house with it. But over the years, it's been a lot. I'm human. I'm human. I'm human. I'm human. At first, I thought, okay, just keep quiet. Since you've reached out to the brother, you've explained, keep quiet. But I think at this junction, I need to talk. Because I just wished the CEO of MNCT Limited a happy birthday. And somebody commented on my page, may you bury your children. I think that is serious. Why? 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 What have I done wrong? What? I'm doing this because I hold my fans dear to my heart. And this social media era, you have to be careful. If you keep saying, I'm not going to talk, people will accuse you wrongly for what you did not do. You understand? People will say a lot of terrible things about you. And I'm not ready. I'm not ready because I'm so unhappy. Adejumoke, the late Adejumoke Aderomu, I met her years ago as an actress, gave her some roles. She featured in Jennifer's Diary. She featured in Indo Streets. And that was it. That was it. Acted her role, got paid, and left. So sometime, I can't remember, Jide Obano will remind me. So from the blues, I just messaged Jide because even after, Jennifer's Diary is on a break. And we're not working on the project. So most of the cast, we don't really see. Only once in a blue moon. So I just messaged Jide because Jide and Adejumoke, they are close. They were close somehow. But I used to see them, they just share back then on set. I said, Jide, where is Adejumoke da? He now go back to me and say, I'll come back to Jide, you can remember, when they come back that they should be calling her for jobs. And I said, where is Adejumoke? They should be calling her for jobs. I said, okay, fine. let's call her for a job. I said, okay, no problem, we'll call her for jobs. But you all know, after after a tribe called you, I've not done any project. You know, there are people like that, a lot of talent. I watch a lot of TikTok videos because I want to discover talent. It's my passion. So I just saw the post. Pascaline, Alex just reached out to me that they wrote something online. I said, oh, what is it? I just went there. Adejumoke'S brother was so upset. Nobody checked on Adejumoke. I said, I know he's grieving. I know it's not easy to lose someone. I've lost my mom. Nobody know what I went through. I went through a lot. I was depressed losing my mom. I went through a lot. Okay. And I said, okay. So I reached out to the guy. I saw his post. I reached out. I'll put the post on my Insta story so you all can see. I said, oh, I'm so sorry you lost your sister. I feel your pain. I said, nobody told me that your sister was sick. Pascaline did not tell me anything. I said, I don't turn deaf ears to people that are in need, that are next to me. I said, I see that they wrote there I don't help. I do help. But I don't make noise about helping. I don't like it. I give, but I hate it. I don't like talking, shouting about giving. It's bad. Giving should be done privately. The ones you see me do online, I was on TikTok because I love TikTok a lot. I love to watch it before sleeping. So I have this family that they make me happy. I laugh, you know, they cook. You know, I love people. I love the grassroots people. So I watch their content a lot. You can see that in my movies. So I reached out to them. Oh, I want to sponsor your education. I give randomly, skit makers. I see people doing stuff. Support them. What more do you want me to do? Please. I have to do this because it has to do with somebody's life. I'm so happy because personally, you don't know what I'm going through. I work hard round the clock. People will say, oh, she doesn't support her colleagues. She doesn't attend events. I live in Amen Estate, Eleko. That's where my studio is. Before I drive down to Lekki or Ikoyi for an event, they're not going to finish the event. Please. I don't beef any filmmaker. I do my thing. I face where I'm going to. The records I've been able to break is by the grace of God. Do not forget, I've got my trying moments too. During COVID, remember, my mom passed on. Remember, politics, I was backlashed. Marriage, remember. Somebody now said you will lose your children. I think that's too much. I'm here trying to relax, trying to rest, to get my life together. I sent a message to that guy, Adejumoke'S brother. He saw it. He didn't reply. I said, oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't hear. I don't know anything about your sister. I don't know anything. I don't go to blogs. They send different things of blogs to me. As long as my name is not being mentioned, I do my thing. I face where I'm going to. Yes, I'm strict. I'm very strict. Yes, I will not take nonsense. I'm focused. Whoever works with me that wants to go can go. Whoever wants to stay can stay. Please, I have to do this live video because it has to do with Adejumoke. May her soul rest in perfect peace. I feel so sorry. I tried. Jide can't testify.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ padà. Mo rí i pé gbogbo wa láti máa gbọ́ gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tí òṣèrébìnrin náà sọ. Orúkọ tèmi ni Azeez lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí. Azeez Olúwadámiláre Àrẹ̀mú tí gbogbo ẹ̀ mọ̀ sí bàbá Àrẹ̀mú. Ní ojú ìwòye tèmi àti tiyín kí lẹ rò pé ó ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ibẹ̀ yẹn. Lótìtọ́ ṣe rí kò sí béèyàn ṣe lè wà níbi tó ga tó kò ń ṣe gbogbo èèyàn gbogbo ẹni tó bá súnmọ́ èèyàn náà lèèyàn máa help tán. Because most people àti nígbàgbọ́ pé téèyàn kan bá ti wà tó ti lówó lọ́wọ́ tàbí ó ní orúkọ a fẹ́ mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń pass through nínú gbogbo nǹkan tó bá ń fèsì yẹn àti nígbàgbọ́ pé gbogbo èèyàn tó bá ti wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ tàbí èèyàn tó bá ti wá gbogbo nǹkan jẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ lèèyàn máa ṣe gbogbo nǹkan kọ́ kò possible. Àní tẹ́ ẹ bá jẹ́ gbọ́ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ tí òṣèrébìnrin yìí ń sọ ó nígbà tí ó sick kò gbọ́ òun tẹ́ pé brother tó tún súnmọ́ tẹ́ pé òkè ẹni yẹn ó kùn kò attend sí kílẹ̀ tó wá fẹ́ kó ṣe ìgbà tí nǹkan wá ṣẹlẹ̀ àwa sáré fò fẹ̀rẹ̀ wá mo wá sọ pé gbogbo àwọn tó máa ń comment sórí ọ̀rọ̀ náà tó máa ń sáré bá wa free tamani òkè fídíò yẹn ó go viral wọ́n wo àwọn comment tá máa ń pariwo yẹn comment yẹn náà problem nígbà míì because ẹlòmíì kan máa já wá sí pé ó máa sọ̀rọ̀ tí ò yẹ kí ó sọ nísìgbà tí nǹkan ṣẹlẹ̀ ta ló bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́n kọ́mọ tiẹ̀ kú ẹ̀kọ́ máa kọ́ sí ẹ̀kọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ gbà ẹlòmíà kan sọ̀rọ̀ ẹlòmíà gbogbo nǹkan yìí tí a kájẹ̀ fi ìra wa sínú èrò nǹkan yẹn pé tó bá yẹ pé mi náà ni mo wà ní position yìí ṣé mo lè ṣe gbogbo nǹkan yẹn ṣá kò sẹ́ni tó dáa tán bẹ́ẹ̀ kò jẹ́ sí bí èèyàn ṣe máa wà láyé tó máa burú tó tí ò ní ní ohun tó dáa tí ò ní níwà tó dáa pé èèyàn kan wà o àwa ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ní lágbájá ẹ̀rùn kò ṣe sá fún kò ṣe súnmọ́ ẹ jìnnà sí no ó máa ní ìwúlò tiẹ̀ tẹ́ bá jẹ̀rẹ́ ní tó ń ṣe dáadáa fún gbogbo èèyàn òun náà máa níbi tó burú sí ó máa níbi tó burú sí torí pé a ò lè ṣe déédéé tẹ́ni tí bá ti wá ṣẹlẹ̀ tó ti wá ṣẹlẹ̀ sí àwọn tó ti jẹ́ pé àwọn tó jẹ́ gbajúgbajà báyẹn next thing náà nǹkan tó ń followers máa ṣe ni pé wọ́n máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí comment ni ẹ̀yin náà jẹ́ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ máa ń comment bad comment yẹn ó yẹ kẹ́ fira yín sí èmi ò side anybody o mi ò side òṣèrébìnrin yẹn o bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ò jẹ́ side ẹni tí tó ṣaláìsí kọ́ ló bá tẹ sáfẹ́fẹ́ rẹ̀ but èmi ń sọ that's pé ó máa ń common nínú most followers tábàdà ẹjọ ẹ bá comment sábẹ́ kíní yìí o ẹjọ ẹ bá like ẹ bá comment o tẹ́ ẹ bá rí comment tẹ́lẹ̀ mi máa fún yàn lásán bẹ́ẹ̀ a mọ̀ pé púpọ̀ jù náà tó ń follow èèyàn náà ọ̀rẹ́ wa ní gbogbo wọn bọ̀ nínú ẹ̀ náà ọ̀tá wa náà wà ń bẹ́ẹ̀ èèyàn kan máa wà tó like èèyàn tẹ́ pé torí pé ó like ẹ̀ ló ṣe follow ẹ̀ èèyàn kan máa wà tẹ́ pé ó follow ẹ̀ nítorí pé ọjọ́ tó bá ti rí àṣìṣe ẹ̀ kó fi hàn bọ́ ọlọ́run wa máa gba gbogbo wa lọ́wọ́ ẹni tí àwòṣọ tó ń ṣọ́ wa ọlọ́run kò ní jẹ́ gbogbo wa jẹ̀rí wàhálà àdènírà tẹ̀yìn kú mọ́ lágbára ọlọ́run wa bá wa dáwọ́ òbí dúró tó bá jẹ́ gbà àkọ́kọ́ lélẹ̀ tẹ́ fi ń wò mí lórí ìkànnì yìí bàbá rẹ̀ mú tv ẹ jẹ́ bá mi subscribe sórí page yìí ẹ bá mi tún notification button yín sílẹ̀ ẹ bá mi share ẹ bá mi like ẹ bá mi comment gidi síbẹ̀ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí t'Ọlọ́run ìfẹ́ yín gangan ìfẹ́ tẹ́ ní sí mi kò ní dókun lágbára ọlọ́run mo jẹ̀ nígbà kó gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wò mí náà ẹ̀yin náà wọn ò ní ilẹ̀ rip báyìí o ọjọ́ yẹn á pẹ́ ẹ̀ẹ́dàgbà ẹ̀ẹ́dógbò ire ayọ̀ ló wọ́n máa tó gbogbo wa lọ́wọ́ fọ́nà tí mo ṣe lórí ọ̀rọ̀ mi tí mo ṣe ń sọ lọ náà ni ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo wa tí a máa ń follow ọ̀hún yẹn ẹ jẹ́ ká máa mọ nǹkan tí a máa text sí under comment because tó bá yẹ pé kì í ṣe pé wọn celebrity yẹn náà wọn ní àṣà ọlọ́run wà lẹ́yìn wọn ẹlòmíì lórí comment lásán àti ọ̀tẹ̀ àti ṣe nǹkan míì tó yẹ lómi tó máa jí láàárọ̀ tó máa bá ní comment section tó máa bá lásán kò ní lè jáde ó máa padà wọlé ni níbi ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó wáyé tẹ̀wá dé èèyàn kan ṣo ló máa sọ ó lè jẹ́ bí èèyàn bí 100 lè text bad message ó lè jẹ́ múra náà máa comment lórí ó lè jẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ náà máa comment lórí lóòótọ́ àti mọ̀ pé ẹni gbajúmọ̀ ni olè sí máa ń wáká kọ́lọ́ má sáfẹ́ sí dọ́wà wò láṣẹ Elédùmarè ẹ ṣáàjọ torí t'Ọlọ́run fi tó ń dè mí jù ni pé tó bá dé gba àkọ́kọ́ lélẹ̀ tí ẹ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń rí mi lórí ìkànnì yìí ẹ bá mi subscribe sórí péjì bàbá rẹ̀ mú tv yìí ẹ ti bá mi tán notification button yín sílẹ̀ á lè máa jẹ ògbà tí n bá ti mọ ọ̀rọ̀ wa lọ́nà kan òjọ̀kan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní láàrin Yorùbá ìjọsà o láàrin àwa Yorùbá pátápátá a lè máa wá sí etí gbọ̀yìn ẹ ṣé ó dìgbà kan náà.